Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Tiffany, chiropractor and holistic health and life coach. Let's talk about fluoride. It seems to be the hot topic this week. RFK Jr. has asked both the CDC and I believe the Health and Human Services Commission to cease recommending fluoride at the dentist's office. And if you've been to any type of dental appointment where you've had your teeth cleaned or your children as well, you know that they often ask you if you'd like a fluoride treatment. And most people say yes, they aren't aware of the negative effects of fluoride just because it's not something that is commonly discussed. And most of the time, this knowledge isn't made public. So why would he be asking for the CDC and HHS to cease the recommendations? Well, if you know anything about fluoride, you know that fluoride can negatively affect the body, right? And we already consume quite a bit of fluoride when we are drinking water, whether it's tap water, bottled water, any type of water. It has some form of fluoride in it unless you purchase water that doesn't have fluoride in it. And of course, the dentists promote fluoride treatments as cavity reducers, right? So they say that this prevents cavities, which may be true and can be true to a certain extent. However, if you are properly caring for your teeth on a regular basis, i.e. brushing and flossing, then the extra layer of fluoride would not be necessary. Most toothpaste brands have fluoride in them, and so they are essentially just adding an extra layer of fluoride, which isn't necessary. Yes, it can prevent cavities, but the effects that it has on your body overall, specifically your brain, is not beneficial. So in other words, the pros do not outweigh the cons. So when a person consumes excess fluoride, they can experience memory loss in adults. So there are neurological deficits that will take place over time. Also, studies have shown that an overconsumption of fluoride in children can lead to memory disorders and attention disorders, right? So ADHD, ADD, we know that those are common diagnoses currently. And a lot of it is attributed to the fluoride consumption. But not many physicians and healthcare providers will tell you this. Why? Because again, they are fattening their pockets, right? So when the dentist provides you with the fluoride treatment, they are able to bill that to the insurance company, which when the claim is paid, it's more money for them versus just having a regular treatment without fluoride. So fluoride can definitely cause negative neurological effects on the body overall. And yes, it can prevent cavities like I mentioned earlier, but if you are doing a good job of brushing and flossing on a regular basis, as well as staying on track with your cleanings at the dentist, then that extra layer of fluoride is not necessary, right? Also, they often do provide the children with sealants, which in that case, if a child already has the sealants placed on their molars, then there's no need for the fluoride treatment, because most of the time when a person does have a cavity, it's typically on those molars as well. So if the molars are already covered by the sealants, then there's no need to add that extra layer of fluoride. So in the event that you go to the dentist in the future and they do ask you if you want fluoride, Do a little bit of research prior to going. But I always say err on the side of caution. If you want my opinion, I personally do not allow them to put fluoride on my teeth. And I also don't allow them to put fluoride on my son's teeth when he goes in for a treatment, because I know and understand the negative effects associated with it. So let's continue to be intentional regarding our health and well-being, and also just seeking the knowledge and applying it, because there's no point in obtaining the knowledge if you aren't going to apply it to your daily life. So let's apply what we're learning and continue to grow so that we can achieve that goal of optimal health. Until next time, heal holistically, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Bye.